best part about Booking Manager back office system is that you can manage everything independently. Whether you want to add new yacht pictures, update price lists or discounts, you can do it yourself anytime you want. The setup is really straightforward, and in this example, I will show you how to set up and optimize your yacht listing. Start by selecting Add and selecting the appropriate yacht model from the available list. Then complete the basic information, including the yacht name, boat comments, if applicable, sail details, home base, and any other relevant specifications. You can also assign the yacht owner, define ownership percentages, add an additional notes, or include an external link for quick reference. Next, configure the charter settings. Select the preferred check-in day, specify whether a technical stop is required between charters, set the check-in check-out times, and choose your appropriate charter type. To help agents present the yacht more effectively, add detailed boat description highlighting its key features, equipment, and any unique selling points. The next step is to configure the yacht's equipment. Open the Inventory tab, click Add, and select all the equipment available on board. If the yacht has permanent crew, open the Crew tab and assign the designated crew members to the vessel. To showcase the yacht, upload high-quality photos. Add the 3 primary images under the Images tab, while any additional photos or supporting files can be uploaded through the Documents tab. The last thing left before publishing the yacht to Booking Manager's agents is to set up your charter prices. To do so, go back to the settings, and if you did not set it up previously, click on Seasons and define the periods according to your price list. We recommend not to open a new season for every charter year, but to add the new periods under the existing one to keep the historical data. After setting up the season, go back to the settings and then Prices, and select the boat and assign a season group. Once that is done, you can fill the prices by clicking the field matching the period you want to enter. And that's it. Your boat is all set up and ready to go. If you're adding a boat that wasn't previously in Booking Manager, there's just one final step before it can be made available to the global distribution network. Simply share the boat's registration documents with our team so we can validate them. This verification helps maintain a high-quality marketplace and gives agents confidence that every yacht and fleet in the system is verified and trustworthy and ready to book.